Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of JRP Unboxed. On this episode, we got a sweet set of Tein FLEX Z's going on this Honda Fit.
So the sweet thing about the FLEX Z's is they're still made in Japan, which is beautiful. All the lower end Teins, like the street bases and such, are now
Made in China.
So you can no longer expect that beautiful made in Japan. But when you order high-end stuff like this, you're always going to get that made in Japan magic. So without further ado, let's unbox this. First impressions, they box this up real nice. James, follow me in here. There we go, everybody. I'm going to go with our bear claw rip. Ooh. Look at this. Look at the packaging, everybody. So these aren't your regular eBay coilovers. These are beautifully packaged, made in Japan. Even the boots say Tein on them. Very cool. So there's our front. It's got your dampening adjustment up here. It's tightened at specified torque. Cool. Oh, Richie, it came with end links. Oh. So when you're doing this on your Honda, most likely, like us, you're gonna degrade the sway bar end links, taking them off, because again, from an '08 Honda, you know how rusty it can be. I mean, how patina it can be. We got some beautiful Tein propaganda in here, our instructions.
We also got some fresh top hats for the front. And right here are the spring perches for the rear springs. And last but not least, here's our rear strut. Now that we got everything unboxed, let's tear out that ratty old suspension and put the fresh Teins on. We're going green with these bad boys. All in all, the install went great. I'd give it a solid 6 out of 10 for difficulty. Yeah, you could do it on your driveway, but you'd want to probably do it on a hoist. That way you could corner balance it like we did. Thanks for checking out another JRP unboxing video. Our analytics say a lot of you guys watching these videos aren't subscribed. So do us a solid and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest automotive content. See you later. Bye now.